good day. This is tutorial 2, exercise 2. So what you're going to learn from this exercise, you will learn how to create a sketch using offset features that you have learned in previous exercise, and also you will learn how to use linear patterns for the sketch, and also you will learn how to use sketch fillet. Okay, we start from the unit system. We're going to change the unit system to inch. So we're going to select IPS. Okay, then from this sketch, we're going to start by sketch rectangulars. So we can sketch from front view. Select sketch. I will pick corners rectangles. Then what is the dimensions? The dimensions is 60, 57. Insert smart dimension 60, 60, and 57. Okay, then I will continue for the top here. So here we have an offset of 3, so I will sketch 15 and 60. So I will sketch like this. Then I'll put 15. Okay, here we don't need to put 60 because the dimension already constrained with the dimension of 60 here. Okay, turn off the smart dimensions. Offset, we need to offset this line, this line, this line with 3 inch. So we select offset entity. This is offset entity. Insert the dimension we need to offset. Select the line we're going to form offset. Confirm. Okay, done. Okay, the next part, we're going to create a patterns for the rectangular box inside the sketch. So the dimension will be 26, the height will be 16. So I will sketch and put dimension 26, 16, and the position for these rectangulars is start from 3 from the bottom, 3 from the side. So I'm going to sketch, put a smart dimension 3, 3. For the shape that we create, we have sharp edge. So to turn this become a round edge, we use features, we call it sketch fillet. So the size is R3. So this is sketch fillet. Diameter is 3. Select all the edge, and confirm. So it becomes like this. Okay. Okay, next we need to create patterns. We need to create patterns total with 6 rectangular here, and the distance between them, when we create the patterns, we need to identify what is the distance between here and distance between here. I mean, should be here. Okay, the distance here, it will be half of the 26 plus the other half of the 26, total with 2. So basically it will be 26 plus 2 for the distance at x directions. Distance at y directions is from the center point of the shape here to the center point of the next pattern here. So it will be 16. Why? Because it's half of the 16 plus the other half of the 16 plus 2. So 16 plus 2 will be 18. Okay, so when we create pattern entity, we can use this linear sketch pattern. First directions, we must indicate the direction. I will select here and click here. So it will show you the directions. This is direction X. This click here is direction Y. Okay. So for more easy, usually I will delete here. So here you can clean everything first. So I think the direction is already indicated because we have an origin here. X and Y direction is already indicated, so it's fine. So we don't need to select anything for the directions, but we need to make sure the direction is correct. So I will advise you start from selecting the entity. Click on the box here. Okay, later it will show you the preview. So for the first direction X here, we need to have 1, 2. So number will be 2. The distance as we calculate just now is 26 plus 2. Okay, now you will see you form 26 plus 2. X directions, we need total have 3 level, 1, 2, 3 level. So the number of pattern we will put 3. When we put 3, it will allow you to set the distance. The distance will be 16 plus 2. 2 is the distance between the gap. Okay, so make sure the directions that you pick is correct, because if you check here, we have options. This is the option to flip the direction. If your direction of the pattern is wrong, so you can flip the directions. Here also you can flip the direction. You can see the preview. Okay, make sure the preview show you the pattern is correct. Then you can click confirm. Okay, done. Okay, now we're going to make it become a 3D. So we have different level of extrude. For the first is 30, top is 20. So we go to extruder boss. We start from the top here. Is 20. From the same sketch, extrude the boss. This is 30. Okay, so done. So you may check for the mesh properties to look for the answer for your quiz. So if you need assign material, remember to assign materials. So the last, remember to save the models. Okay, so that's it for the exercise. Thank you.